Hello and welcome to Stravix Experience. We have created Stravix for anyone that needs to scale their content creation, whether for social media or blog post articles. So after a lot of research, we have created a user interface where you don't have to rely on prompting, and platform gets to know your brand, your offering and services, so it always would remember throughout the next content creations, content calendars, and all your upcoming blog posts. So first off, we have to create our brand. I would say let's go with festivals and choose our industry. That's something that you should do with your brand. Put your brand name, industry, and website. And if you like, you can put your brand logo URL here as well. So yeah, this is how we create a new brand. We have 6 simple questions for you to answer, so we can check your tonality and what you prefer, because it's going to be stick with your brand tone of voice and brand profile. So from now on, everything will be about what you have chosen here. So first of all, this is an example. Let's choose smart and strategic, or warm and approachable. Fresh, bold perspective. Let's say confident. Let's say earning respect. Let's say original thinking. Coming across too pushy. Okay. So that's it. Right now, Stravix AI agent in the background is going to scrape your LinkedIn, your website, everything about you and your services that you offer. So it's going to be taken into account for next content creations. So first of all, let's take a look at our create a post workflow. This is your idea box. You can put here anything, any link from web, any link from YouTube or Instagram, or messy brain dump, or even just one line idea such as why vegetables is the best chocolate for anyone. Even a simple sentence like this would work. Or if you prefer to put any amount of URL here, it would be okay. Because when you put a link here, and even if it's a YouTube link, for example, our agent will scrape everything, analyze the thumbnail, and understand what you have provided as context. So this is my idea, and I want a carousel, a LinkedIn post. Let's ask for story as well. I need a tweet, I need a YouTube video, and a TikTok video. This is optional, but you can still upload any image, maybe screenshot or whatever that you like, to give more context, and hit generate. Right now, again, background AI agents are being activated. They are analyzing your input. They are scraping everything and researching about what you have instructed, and applying your industry best practices, social media best practices for each of the content that you have selected earlier, because it's going to matter when it comes to writing and sounding as much as you would sound. Okay, our content is here. Let's see. This is the carousel idea. We provide slide idea, visual concept, text on the image, even caption, call to action, and a small insight from us to state that why this works. Also, you will receive your hashtag as well. And these are not generic content. They are heavily researched to your brand and tone of voice. As you can see, we never stated that what the festivals eat. And AI agents, they discovered that it's a chocolate brand and everything. So this is LinkedIn post. As you can see, visual idea, first comment idea, why this works. Same idea for Twitter, for YouTube, for TikTok. As you can see, we are giving you not only script, but timestamps as well, so you can understand where and how to say each content of the script rather than just a generic one. This is thumbnail idea, this is the chapters, description, and again, why this works. So that's first. Let's say you don't even have an idea and you want to plan ahead. What you can do is come here and select as much as these ones you like, choose your frequency, your start date, your duration, and hit generate calendar. Again, Stravix is remembering what you have created previously, what your brand offers, what it sells, what it says, and everything, and applies all the best practices to your brand and create you a content calendar for your next month or next week based on your selection in the process. Okay, our content calendar here. So as you can see, we are providing a view so you can see that what we are suggesting for each part of your social media content creation efforts. It's a title, it's a content platform and content type. So you can see this is the ID, this is the content, it's a poll for LinkedIn. And let's get to SEO. This is where you just have to create your project, just answer some questions, whether you're service business or product-based business, where is your target location and target language. And these two options are very important to choose because it's going to determine the future keyword researches, intention researches, and everything, because we can target blog post generation based on these different behaviors that would be possible going on from your user. So again, in the background, our AI agents are scraping every website, every URL in your website, and we are running health checks, health items. It's going to take like 4 or 5 minutes, but it's going to be there with content ideas, so you can start everything. Okay, let's continue. This is going to be available after 4 or 5 minutes. We provide an SEO audit result for every URL of the website. As you can see, 35 pages audited and 33 issues have been found. So basically, we are flagging everything that is needed attention technically. As you can see, for title, description, for HTTPS, whether there are issues or missing H1 tags, alt tags, and everything that might be wrong with each URL. So you can see what URL has a problem, so you can let your technical team know that. Also, this is where we generate the business overview from everything that agent finds about you, about all the services offering, your ICP, and everything will be here. So you can read it as well. And this is the strategy that we are generating for chain logic for content creation. As you can see, like bottom of the funnel content, middle of the funnel, and top of the funnel. These are next topics that could be generated for you. Let's go ahead and check them out. Yeah, they are here. It's keyword research, heavily web research about the target location and target language you provided in the setup. So you can ask for top of the funnel content, middle of the funnel, or bottom of the funnel content of this very topic. And if you decide that you don't like any of those, you can add your topic ID and description, and our agent will write the content for you. So this is the Stravix experience. I hope you love what we have built. Let me know your thoughts. Thank you.